Hello guys, this is another video from Jambo Auto Repairs. Today we got a 2012 Range Rover supercharged audio biography, and the situation is it's stored from another shop with a note start, cranks okay, and these guys they replaced the fuel pump module, and they also replaced the fuel pump, and the car started for a day or two, and then it started giving starting problems again. The vehicle was cranking okay, but no start, no fuel. The fuel was like cut off. Okay, we figured out the problem, and we had some CAN signals blocking the fuel pump from starting, and now the truck starts amazing. There you go. Truck starts without any issues. We found some wiring problem to the CAN network. Thanks for watching another video from Jambo Repairs. Thank you.